We'll do the 7:45.
Okay.
Hey, you always make me feel like okay. You never.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we about to get into this hair though. Get into it. So this is from BEYLENE hair. This is the 13x4 water wave lace front wig. It did come pre-plucked. They claim to have no shedding, no tangle. It was 150% density, and I got mine in the 22-inch. Inside the package, it came with a, like a regular instruction package. It tells you how to take care of the hair and other textures. It also came with a silk scarf, some little MAC eyelashes, and a wig cap. So taking it straight out the bag, y'all, I was like impressed. I really was. Like the density on it, even though they say it's 150, it felt like it was a lot more for sure. And now just taking it off, you can kind of see the curl pattern, but you can tell the hair really wasn't styled. So I didn't know what to think about it. But you can see that it was slightly pre-plucked, but not really. You was gonna have to do some customization to it, which I was completely prepared to do. So let's get into it. I'm starting out by bleaching my knots by using just the regular BW2 and 30 volume developer. You see I did not have a lot left at all, but we made it work, and I'm just using like a little plastic spoon or a knife will work, either one. But you just want to get it to a nice consistency where it's really thick, like mayonnaise thick, like Dairy Queen thick, like turn it over and it ain't coming out the cup thick, you know what I mean? Because she thick. Anyway, back to the video. So I'm just spreading this on, just like icing on the cake is all I can tell you. I found out by using this method with using a spoon or a knife. Preferably I like a knife. But this way it's kind of like pressing the bleach onto the knots. So it's not just like sitting on the back of the lace. It's kind of more so pressing it in. And to me, I like over bleached knots sometimes. It makes it look more realistic. Just let that process, and I deep conditioned it, and this is what she's looking like. Looking way, way better. The curl pattern you can see starting to pop, and it looked amazing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pluck out my knots. This is the most important part of having any kind of realistic looking wig. You want to always pluck your, customize your lace and plug it like it has. You have to have a good install. So that's all I'm doing, and I'm just gonna fast forward through this and let you watch because boom. And you can see this is how much hair I got out of that wig, but I almost scalped her, but she okay. She okay. She was giving. And now another must that you must do is to tint your lace. This was my first time using the even lace tint. So I don't know if I really loved it. You see how my install came out. It was a little lighter than my skin, but I don't know, girl. I'm a little on the fence about it. So future Tasha here. I have no idea what happened to all the installation part of this video. I don't know, I guess my camera died and I just didn't notice. But I am so sorry. If y'all want to see me install it, then just hit the thumbs up button and I will reinstall it for you. But my bad, I'm sorry. But on to the last little bit of footage I do have. All right, so I wanted to come on here. I just got out of the shower, just finished doing my makeup. But I wanted to show y'all how the hair looks. Like, I'm not dressed yet, but you could tell where I put the product at and where I didn't. It's like a lot bigger. And where I did put the product, you can see it's like a lot more, more defined or whatever. So then I take some kind of oil of some sort. Right now I'm just going to use the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Oil. If I can find one that has something in it. Okay. So if you take just a drop of oil after your hair is like fully dry, your curls, and you just rub across them. Don't put your fingers through it. Don't do all that. Like, you don't need all that. Just do that, and that will kind of break up the gel cast of the curlery stuff that I showed y'all. So what am I doing? And I just do a little more on the other side, definitely on the top portion, because like I said, I didn't really put that much on there. So you don't want it looking dry. And this will just break that up. And so when you have it like this, can you tell the difference? Okay, my battery's down, so I gotta go again, but just wanted to show y'all that very quick. You know, just so you know. I'm gonna put a little oil on the front so it ain't looking thirsty. I want my hair, I want my curl. I like juicy curls. Juicy hair. And there you go. Alright, so I'm gonna go get dressed for real. My camera's dying. So just wanted to show you what it looks like, but the curl is so much more defined than being bushy. I mean, it's still volume to it, but it's not nearly as like, I don't know how to explain it. All right. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. We just gonna call this a wig prep video since I completely lost the installation footage. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're at this point of the video, like, why are you not subscribed? Like, I'm not understanding. But anyway, y'all have a good one. See y'all in the next one. Deuces.